Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem, right over there. Put one finger in and then push it left and then lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod. There should be a clip over there for you. Pull the rod out of the clip, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it in position like this. Let go off the hood and now it's secure. Now once the hood is open, that right is where your battery is. You will need a 10mm socket ratchet combination for this job, or a 10mm wrench, but you'll definitely need a 12mm socket ratchet and a long extension. The longer the better. The 10mm is for those two battery post nuts over there, and the 12mm is for the one down there for the retaining plate. If you don't have a long extension, don't worry. What we'll do is we'll lift up this engine air filter cover, and that gives us access to the bolt more directly, so you can use a short extension. If you do lift up this cover, make sure when you're putting it back, those two tabs, they go in the slots over there. The one in the front and the second one in the back. See, get it in properly. That is good. And only when those two tabs are in the slots will you be able to put those two clips back on. Let's move on. First we'll loosen this 10mm nut for the negative terminal for the black wire. Let's loosen this, and the goal is to loosen this just enough that we can wiggle the wire off of the battery post. Once it's off, let's tuck it away so there's no accidental contact throughout this process. Now we'll repeat this for the positive terminal. Press over there and flip that cover open. Loosen that nut over there, and let's get this wire off of the battery post. And off it comes. That's good. Now let's get the jacket that's around the battery off of it. That positive wire is going to be in the way a little bit. Just get it out, and now this is where having that extension makes life really easy. Let's start taking off the retaining plate bolt, and again, as you can see, the longer the extension, the easier it is to get that bolt out. Carefully get that bolt out of there and don't drop it. Now let's get the retaining plate out, and off it comes. Now push the battery towards the front of the car a little bit, and now you'll be able to flip up the handle and get the battery out. Be careful, the battery is going to be heavy. The positive side is marked with a plus sign, the negative with the minus size. The battery size is H5. Get the new one and put it back in the same position as it was when you took the original battery out. H5, that's your battery size. Push it to the back once it's in position, because it's like a retaining plate in the back that keeps the battery from moving. On that side, on the front, we have our small retaining plate that goes on and bolts down, that, and those two retaining plates together keep the battery from moving around. Just get this plate in, and it's just easier if you use both your hands for this. You have to align the holes over there and then get the bolt, drop it into those two holes and hand tighten it. Again, over here having this extension makes it much easier to do the job. Hand tighten it down and then tighten it down with the tool. That is good. Put the jacket back on. Let's put the positive terminal wire back on the battery post and push it down as much as you can. The key is to push it down so that we have a good contact there. Then let's tighten this nut down. Make sure that battery terminal wire is not moving. That's good. Repeat the process for the negative one, and the moment you touch this negative wire to the negative battery post, you may notice some sparks. That's totally normal, because that's exactly when the connection is formed. So push it down as much as you can. Let's tighten this 10mm nut down. Make sure that the wire is not moving. And now inside the car, let's try turning the car on. And it turns on, no issues, everything is working, and that is pretty much it. First push on the hood, get the load off the prop rod and get the prop rod out of the slot. Put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.